So where do people find these then?
Yeah, all sorts of places. All right. So lately, because I've got some properties under the guarantee rent schemes, yeah, with local authority and with housing associations.
So that's once you've acquired the property, you hand it to one of the housing association for them to give you a fixed rent.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Guaranteed rent. And they lately have been calling me or messaging me and say, "Oh, some of our landlords are selling. Would you be interested in buying them?" So a lot of these are off-market deals.
Interesting.
So I won't need to. There's no competition basically.
Yes.
If I want them, they're mine. If not, they'll probably ask another investor on their list. That's one way of doing it, but you have to be in there.
And that's a great example of when you do one thing again and again and again, people get to know that's what you do.
Exactly.
So they think for short lease, they think, I need to call Jason on that one.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, they're always messaging me, "Oh, plan a short lease, plan a short lease, chat to you on it." So there's that way. There's a normal right move way where on the filters you put in lowest price first. A lot of the time, the ones with the lowest price are the ones with short leases in that area.
Price lower.
Exactly, yeah. Make sure you put the filter on no new homes, no retirement homes, and there's something else in the right move section.
Yeah.
But there's 3 of them there. Put them filters on and then put lowest price, and then normally short lease ones come up first.
Yes.
And
you
also,
look for just apartments.
Just apartments, flats, yeah. And then also another way of searching is where you put what does it say? It says longest on the market. Because a lot of the time, like as you know, not many people like flats, so they're ones that sit on the market.
Yes.
So the longer it's sat on the market, then the more of a deal you can get.
Yes.
You can also find them at auctions, quite popular. That during lockdown 1, when Boris said you must stay at home, I was just searching, and then Savills.
You were sitting at home searching.
Exactly, yeah, searching. Never stops. And then Savills had one in my area.
Right.
I put in a pre-auction offer, because it all turned on online after that, bidding. Put in a pre-auction offer, got rejected, but I didn't go to auction. I just didn't bother. It didn't sell at auction.
Okay.
And then post-auction, the auctioneer contacted me and said, "Oh, this particular flat did not sell. Will you be interested in putting in another offer?" So I managed to get it lower than what I put in initially. Yeah, exactly. So even though I got rejected. So that's why it was worth not going to auction sometimes.
I think that's the best way to buy at an auction, either before or after, not during.
Exactly, yeah. Because they always give you like first refusal half the time. You've got friends, property associates, like social media. You've also got neighbours, old neighbours. So I've bought a flat with a short lease, and then she's sold it, to obviously to me. And then her neighbour, former neighbour, is now selling. So her neighbours, they still give contact. So they contacted her, and then he has contacted me and said, "Oh, my neighbour's selling a flat. Would you be interested in this?" Short lease again. So that's another way. So there's multiple different ways of obviously.
And that's interesting what you just mentioned there, because let's say you got a block of 10 apartments and they start off with a 100-year lease. They're all being reduced at the same time. So if you're buying one of those, it's very likely that the others are probably also becoming shorter.
Exactly.
And maybe they've extended them, but it's a good chance.
Exactly.
So you could target the other people in the same building.
Exactly, yeah. That's what we're going to as well. Because exactly what you said, 99-year lease, block of 10, maybe 2, 3, 4 of them might have renewed their lease, but the other 5 or 6 haven't.
Yes.
And then you can leaflet drop. So even if they're tenanted, just leave a leaflet in there. That leaflet hopefully get to the landlord.
Yes.
And then the landlord will contact you direct, just direct the vendor. So.
And in terms of the legals and how this is done, you don't have to be a legal whiz on this, because the solicitors will take care of all of it. They'll deal with all the paperwork.
Yeah.
You just need to understand how it works.
That's it.
To see where the opportunity is to make money.
Yeah.